students, myself Ayushita. I welcome you all in Veera Online School. Today we will start our next chapter, chapter number 4. Name of this chapter is Who is Where. In this chapter, what we learn? We learn about location. Location of things. In this chapter, we learn about who is where. So, in this, we find some picture. Here, a scene of a village is given, in which some pets are doing some activities. Can you locate them as per in the figure? No. Why? You can't locate them because you don't know what is location. Location is a position. Position. What is position? Answer of where. Answer of where. Now, for basic knowledge of location, let's start with this poem. And this poem is related to this picture. Now, let's start the poem. Cat say meow meow, rat say choo choo. Rat sit inside the burrow. Cat sit outside. Cat runs ahead, dog run behind. God says blah blah, monkey says hook hook. Monkey sits upon the branch, God sits below. So, now the underlined words are telling about locations. Locations of pets. So, which underlined words? Inside, outside, ahead, behind, upon and below. They are telling the location of pets. What is the location of rat? Rat sit inside the burrow. Next, location of cat. Location of cat is outside. Location of the second cat runs ahead. And dog, location of dog is behind. Location of monkey is upon the branch. And location of God is below the tree. So, we learn about location. Basic knowledge of location. We learn about location. So, now look at this picture. With this picture, we are solved exercise 4.1. Look at this picture and answer the following question. Let's start. What is this? A teacher teaching some students. Now, let's start. Question number 1. What things are behind the table? Behind location. So, what things are behind the table? Look at the picture and tell me what things are behind the table. First thing behind the table is chair. Chair is behind the table. And more? Yes, blackboard. Blackboard is behind the table. Blackboard. And behind the table? Almirah. Yes. Almirah is behind the table. So, chair, blackboard and Almirah are behind the table. Let's go to the next question. Vimla is sitting exactly in front of Ranjana. Vimla is sitting exactly in front of Ranjana. Look at the picture. Where is Vimla sitting? Vimla, where is Vimla? Yes, Vimla is sitting exactly in front of Ranjana. Then, who is sitting in front of Savita? So, we have to find that who is sitting in front of Savita. Let's find out. So, where is Savita? Yes, here is Savita. And who is sitting in front of Savita? Yes, Charu. Charu is sitting in front of Savita. Let's go to the next question. Pramod is sitting amongst who? Pramod. Where is Pramod? Yes, here is Pramod. So, Pramod is sitting amongst whom? Let's find out. Amongst to the Pramod, it's Ritu. Yes. Ritu and Puneet. Ritu and Puneet is sitting amongst Pramod. Let's go to question number 4. Who is sitting very next to Vijay? So find out, where is Vijay? Yes, here is Vijay. So who is sitting very next to Vijay? Yes, Raju. Raju is sitting very next to Vijay. So, in this, behind, in front of, amongst and very next. They are location of students. And we learn about many more locations. Behind, in front of, amongst and very next in exercise 4.1. And also we learn about location of pets. Which location we learn about? Inside, outside, ahead, behind, upon, below, behind, in front of, amongst and very next. The words are answer of where. So these are location. Now here some words which are describe the location. Inside, outside, ahead, behind, on, below, in front of, amongst and next to. All these words we learn in this chapter. The word they are describe the location and give the answer of where. Now we are learn about location of numbers. So, how can we locate the numbers? Let's start. See the following example and then answer. So, the first example, what you see? 14, 15, 16. We see some numbers. So, 14, 15, 16. Then 42, 43, 44. Then 55, 56 and 57. Example number 1. 14 is exactly before 50. The location of 14 is before 50. Before 50. So here is 14. 14 is before 50. Then 43 is exactly after 42. After 42. Location of 43 is after 42. So, here is 42 and 43 is just after 42. So, location of 43 is after 42. Then 56. So, location of 56 is exactly in between 55 and 57. Location of 56 is between 55 and 57. So, just before, after and between. So, let's doing this with another numbers. Just I write number 4. So, which number come after 4? So, go ahead. So, 4 and then 5. So, number 5 come after 4. And which number come before 4? So, go behind. So, 4 and number come before 4 is 3. So, location of 3 is come before 4. And location of 5 is come after 4. And location of 4 is come between 3 and 5. Let's start with the next example. Let's go. Look at this table and then read it. 6 is exactly above 7. 6 is exactly above 7. So here location of 6 is above 7. Location of 6 is above 7. Here is 6. Where is 6? Above 7. And then 18. Location of 18 is exactly below 17. So, where is 18? Just below 17. Next, 34. Location of 34. 34 is exactly in between 33 and 35. So, location of 34. So, where is 34? 34 is between 35 and 33. If numbers are giving in a sleeping line, so we are located them as after, before, after and before. And if the numbers are given in a standing line, so located them as above and middle number is between, and also standing and sleeping. In both, the middle number is called between. So, here is, we are located the number as after, before, above, below and between. Now, let's do some exercise to understand this concept. Now, let's go to the exercise 4.2. In this exercise, we learn about location of numbers. Now, you have to fill the location of numbers. Question number 1. See the tables? Yes, 24, 25 and 26. Then 62, 63 and 64. Then 85, 86 and 87. The numbers are in sleeping line. So, we are giving location of them as after, before and between. Let's start. Exactly before 26. We have to find the number which is exactly before 26. So, before 26 is number 25. So, our answer is 25. Next, exactly in between 62 and 62. Let's find out. 62. Yes. 64. Yes. So, between 62 and 64 is number 63. So, here answer is 63. Next, exactly after 85. Find number after 85 is number 86. So, our answer is 86. So, before, between and after. Location of 86 is, where is 86? 86 is come after 85. And where is 63? 63 come between 62 and 64. Where is 25? 25 is before 26. Now, question number 2. So, here is table in standing lines. Here is table with standing lines. So, location of them as above, below and between. Let's go. A. Exactly above 33. So, above 33 is number 32. Above 33 is number 32. Next, exactly below 55. Exactly below 55 is number 56. So, our answer is 56. Next, exactly in between 72 and 74. Between. So, where is 72? Here. And where is 74? Here. So, in between of them is number 73. So, our answer is 73. So, location. What is location? Answer of Where is 32? 32 is above 33. Then where is 56? 56 is below 55. Where is 73? 73 in between of 72 and 74. Here our chapter is completed. What we learn in this chapter? We learn about location. So, which location? Location of anything, any person, and also we learn about location of numbers. Thank you.